Welcome back, everybody. So I'm out today to just shoot my carry pistol a little bit. It's a G48 MOS, and I just have a couple things done to it, nothing crazy. I like to keep my carry pistols pretty tame. I don't like to, do like a bunch of internals and like ported barrels and stuff like that. So I have the Mepro light on here. This is their closed emitter, and having a closed emitter sight for me is pretty much essential because even though I bag carry this pistol, I just don't want the lint or anything like that to build up on that emitter, which before I've had an RMR on a lot of my stuff, and it does get dirty inside of the bag with lint and all of that. Even if you appendix carry, I've still had, sweat and crap on the back of that lens there. So I've really been liking closed emitters the last couple years. So that's the optic. I do have the Mepro light iron sights on here as well. I like the yellow dot on the front. It's like a fluorescent yellow color. It really catches my eye really well to kind of know where the muzzle is. Those are some of my favorite sights, even though you don't really use them with the red dot, but always having a good pair of iron sights on there is never a bad thing. And then I have a bunch of different pieces from Shield Arms. So I've had their S15 mags since they came out. Essentially, I pre-ordered the first batch that came out, and this is, I think, the third version now. But even with the first version, I've never had any jams or anything. I see a bunch of people online and comment on my videos that these are crap and they've had a bunch of jams and stuff, but I don't know if they've had personal experience with them jamming or if they just heard people say that they jam, because all of the versions I've not had one jam, and I leave these loaded the entire time. They've never, not been just empty laying around since I purchased them, and I trust these just as much as the factory mags. And then I have the Shield Arms steel mag catch and their mag well. And then on the front, I have a Streamlight TLR7 sub. It's like the perfect size for the 48. The other two pieces I have on here is the Train with Purpose trigger shoe. I really like these a lot. The flat face is really nice, and it's just kind of a personal preference kind of thing, but I really do like that a lot. And then I have the Align Tactical thumb rest on the left side, and this thing is awesome. So depending on what holsters you have, this might not fit in there, but if you're bag carrying or you have some situation where you can fit it in, like with a soft pouch or something, this is awesome. So I really do like that a lot. And then I have the Kagwerks extended slide release. I have kind of short thumbs, and so having that little bit of length on the top makes it easier for me to release the slide. It's not a necessity either, but I do like to have it on here. So I'm just out here to get a little bit of trigger time. It's really windy and rainy today, so that is why I'm in the container doing this today. So anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.